This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Cathy Underwood. Welcome to this updated and well-maintained home. Plenty of room for entertaining both inside and out. Stainless steel appliances and washer/dryer convey. Roof replaced in 2015. HVAC replaced in 2018. Seller is under a yearly pest control contract. Fireplace only been used 3 to 4 times according to seller. Take advantage of this one-owner home in the desirable Western Branch area of Chesapeake. Nearby interstates, YMCA, and shopping. For more information, review the details below.